Today we're working at 5300 Centennial Boulevard. We were here about a year and a half ago. We washed everything around the building. The builder gave us a call back, asked if we'd come back and do it all again. Today we're washing all of the building exterior. We're washing all the exterior glass and all the concrete surrounding the building. It's a 90,000 square foot building. We're gonna have the entire thing done in 4 days. Come with us, let's check it out.